Have you ever felt like you were misunderstood, that someone didn't hear what you said to them? Or maybe you didn't quite get the communication from somebody else? Communication is really the source of so many of our problems today, isn't it? And if we can learn to communicate consciously with someone else, if we can somehow clear out the noise around our communication, we become much more effective and much more happy. So I'd like to share with you, again, it's a very short meditation to help clear communication. It's got two parts to it. The first part is you take the thumb and place it at the base of the small finger, the pinky finger. You bring the hands in front of your shoulders and you start to make these movements outward for 1 minute, 15 seconds exactly, quickly. Your breath will change the quicker you go. So fast, 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 fast. Time yourself. It's going to be for about 75 seconds. Moving outward quickly, quickly, quickly. And when you're done at 75 seconds, you stretch your arms up overhead, you spring your fingers wide apart, you take a deep breath in and you chant Sat Nam. Sat Nam. You repeat Sat Nam 4 times, stretching up. Sat Nam. Nam. Sat Nam. Release down, relax, and feel the clarity of the communication in your words. If you want to learn more about conscious communication, we're having a wonderful level 2 course called Conscious Communication. So please join us to understand all about how you can communicate more effectively and more successfully.